Nyina dance teacher metwe Afronitaa edi na woda na chese ohwe social media no so photo shoot mugu ahodo na amanfo celebrating say na chese it was all about Afronitaa na for some reason no you really feel said there are other dancers e wo krodie mu hanum say na eno na ebeto oja say wo mo trema wo mo de all white Thanksgiving whatever night bi a hyehyɛ so ene okopie mu ho a ene obi a hye fita enkra Afronitaa training mu nyina no obi a hye atare fita omo ewo ho no mananya sem ketwa ene ye nda nyame ase oyo na chese Afronitaa edi sen we di 21 years abusiafo na chese otwema say no wa hoppy if 20 echo 21 na amanfo ene no a celebrity yes she was trending all over the media space social media space na enya sem ketwa. Little did we know said there was a surprise for her abusiafo na akwakoye a moment of emotions na say esun kakra fremu enije kakra fremu ni ade e den na see what was the surprise ebeto just say yes ka mo no chia wo pa a sebe ye be kan say tie rubber enka feminsuo kranka no ena ye de echa baba we na mafo chem say 21 years utia ye ye o ye mu bi ye peso ye nya na 21 ena watimi nya ka ben ena ye de cha Afronitaa yenko na yenko share video no of how the whole surprise sharing no e course. That was the surprise. Yeah, and Chenny, and say Jane Queen, ni si oban, what I say, nti, for you na this way, our comment section. So that was how Afronitaa, you're surprising the kama with this kind of say, nipa de honoma, na why near ma sebe, ye bebo abaso near be appreciative wo ni ade. Na enu ekoria se na asa kwaye give and take no. Celebration no akoye give and take nti abra ono eje ka no wosanso ekoye donation e wo kolebu ana eye feyi amanfo chese as young as your age we sua said ye bemma to the society amanfo bebe abona baso e wo eno nso eho ye nhwa video no e wo eno nso ho na ye to aso.
Hi guys, you already know it's a girl Afronitaa and I'm here today at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital Children's Cancer Unit and we are here to donate the money to them and to give them a little calico goodies. You know how we do, Mama Calico in the building. Let's go inside and make them smile. Bye! And I pray that God gives all of you strength to keep supporting your children and God will heal each and every single one of them. And in no time they'll all be out of here and very happy. God richly bless all of you and thank you for singing for me. I love you guys. God bless. I'm leaving. Bye. you're managing your because I for yes, they do young now, between the take your bills. Aside that, the same best birthday, no okay. Like, and I'm a day I check it, that's
It's about the donation na Afronitaa ekoye ewo Kolebu Teaching Hospital na chese otimi hu se saa no se abese aye trend udi wa woda. It's not all about celebrating, but it's also helping wo mo awon so ewo ahohiahia mu no. And then the 60,000 will really go a long way for a year Kolebu Teaching Hospital. So the beya wo mo so no their needs and wants they can be sorted. Amafo abona baso Afronitaa say why ade after all the jubilation ne aseda ne ade ni nyina no sebe ye sign surprising with the car no ono nso ayere ne ho etimi aye bibi e de ebo society ni nti obi a ensua emfa ho. But then the question people are asking is I say they didn't really see a year in the former people mature DWP phone bi ewo event no ase a omudwe omusa say what is happening. Is there an issue going on between Afronitaa and AADW? Because omoma yeti ase say she left on a mutual basis where only obi eni asem ono ana eja ofele say obe movie on because you say otina fa kocha oti wade pa bi ehso wate ase ha intina che say wo konani but ye wo mo ho no raise a whole lot of suspicion na yenim say Penax GH de modiana modiasem you better delve deeper. More information on this issue. That's some bread share.